Padmaja, you started the debate with Lord Bobby's song "Duniya Hasino Ka Mela." And there's another song that he sang, "Mushkil Bada Ye Pyar Hai." And there is another just song, "Pyar Kiya To Darna Kya." Now, my friend must understand over here that now that the budget is going to be out, there would be a greater analysis that would be done with respect to the ruling dispensation. The Congress is on the right track. It is reaching out to the masses so that we can come up with a more refined and a better form of a common minimum program which directly reaches out to the masses.
अरे
which
सर
is
मासेस तो
pan-India
बाद
in
में
nature.
आएंगे, पहले अपनी
Which is
एलाइज पे तो
pan-India
रीच
in
आउट कर
nature.
लीजिए.
No, let me.
तौसीफ उर रहमान, very quick rebuttal. तौसीफ उर रहमान, very quick.
We are not attacking Congress. No. But this is good for you, sir. आप तो प्यार आप देना चाहते हैं, गाली देके प्यार दे रहे हैं. आप किसी का बाल पकड़ के दिन भर उसको बैंग कर रहे हो, बोर्ड में कह रहे हो मैं तुमसे प्यार करता हूं. This is not going to happen like this. You have to sit and do some strategy. If you are not serious, you are playing with the people's vote. You are not serious. Absolutely. There is only 3 problem in Bengal. Adhir. Sir, आप अधीर से बात करिए. He is acting like a lunatic.
Well,
we respect Rahul Gandhi, we
listen,
respect Sonia Gandhi, we respect Jairam Ramesh ji. But you can't act
Mr.
like a lunatic. He's a state
Chaudhary
president.
is also functioning as the leader of opposition. Mr. Chaudhary is also the president of the Provincial Congress Committee in West Bengal. So you cannot
Sir,
expect
you wanted
him
alliance or not?
No.
Sir, you wanted alliance or not?
The alliance is at the national level, brother. The
Sir,
alliance
you
is at
wanted
the national
alliance or
level.
not?
No,
You
we
wanted the
cannot
alliance,
subject
right?
the national
How-
politics to a
How do
regional
you want
one.
the alliance?
We cannot
How do
subject
you want
the
alliance?
regional issues. We cannot have the regional
without
issues
talking
brought to
to
the
your alliance
national
partner,
level.
without talking to Mamata. Sir, you never
You will
invited
agree.
Mamata Bandyopadhyay
I
for Nyaya
I
Yatra.
find you as a
You never
very
informed
reasonable
us.
man, and I believe in your
There is no
sense
press
of justice
conference
and wisdom.
that we
I
want
would
to
simply
invite
ask you a
Trinamool
question.
Congress.
I will ask you a question. Can we have regional issues dominating
Please go
the
ahead.
national one?
Please go ahead.
Can we have regional issues dominating the national one?
We said it
Are
from
we
the
going
day
to
one
formulate
that
our
we have
regional,
to keep-
our national issues
I
based upon
told
the
you
regional
from-
one? Yes.
I told you from day one that we have to keep aside our regional issues. Day
Yes,
one, you can see my track record. This is more than 20 times we have debated with Padmaja. We have debated with everyone, Madhavan in times now. We always said, and even Padmaja said कि तौसीफ आपके तो problems हैं बंगाल में. हमने कहा है. We have issues with Congress, but we have to keep it aside for the people of our country, for India, for this liberalism. But Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary doesn't want that. He wants to put that local issue each and every time. And of course, he's a national leader. He's the leader of the opposition. When he says something about Trinamool Congress, when he talks like this, of course, we don't want such alliance.
One must take note that despite the fact that this time allegations have been made, these allegations have been made by Jairam Ramesh himself against the Trinamool Congress, still the TMC is staying away from naming anyone other than Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary. Very quickly, Shazia Almi wants to respond, then I'll get in Sameer ji.
You know, but Padmaja, now I think of not one song but 2 songs. You know, now that we are going into an Antakshari mode, you know, जैसा तेरा प्यार वैसा कैसा तेरा प्यार कैसा गुस्सा है तेरा. So I think they should be singing this to each other. And the other one, and which more appropriate, is दुश्मन न करे दोस्त ने वो काम किया है, उम्र भर का गम हमें इनाम किया है. So I think this is a friendship between TMC and Congress party at this point of time.
All right, Sameer ji, I'll give you the final word. You've heard the entire discussion. The serious question though is, do you think that post-poll, if there was a question of numbers with this kind of misunderstanding and acrimony, they can come together after the elections अगर numbers इनके फेवर में जाते हैं?
पद्मजा जी, 2019 के चुनाव में अगर आप विपक्ष का प्रदर्शन देखोगे तो जो आज इंडिया गठबंधन की पार्टीज है, इनको 150 सीटें भी नहीं मिली थी. आप ये मान के चलिए कि चुनाव के पहले प्रधानमंत्री मोदी, जो इतनी मजबूत स्थिति में देश के सबसे लोकप्रिय प्रधानमंत्री है, भारतीय जनता पार्टी की इतना मजबूत संगठन है, और 22 जनवरी को जब राम का प्राण प्रतिष्ठा होने के बाद जब भारतीय जनता पार्टी चुनाव प्रचार में निकल चुकी है, विपक्ष को जहां एकत्रित होकर सीटों का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन करना था वह नहीं कर पाया है. नीतीश कुमार को संयोजक नहीं बनाया, नीतीश कुमार छोड़ के चले गए. इतना बड़ा झटका लगने के बाद भी विपक्ष सुधरने की स्थिति में नहीं है. न बंगाल में हो रहा है, न उत्तर प्रदेश में हो रहा है, न महाराष्ट्र के अंदर हो रहा है, न झारखंड के अंदर हो रहा है, न दिल्ली और पंजाब के अंदर सीटों का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन हो रहा है. 7 महीने हो गए इनकी पहली बैठक को. क्या एक भी ऐसा राज्य है जहां पर विपक्ष ये कह सकता है कि हमने सीटों का डिस्ट्रीब्यूशन कर लिया और वहां पर कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है? मुझे लग रहा है देश की जनता देख रही है, विपक्ष चुनाव के बाद तो छोड़िए, चुनाव के पहले किसी तरह का गठबंधन नहीं कर पाएगा। और यह तय है कि विपक्ष का गठबंधन तार तार हो चुका है। जो केसी त्यागी ने कहा था कि विपक्ष का गठबंधन
has
तार
been
हो गया
arrived
है,
at.
अब इसके अंदर कोई अस्तित्व नहीं है, कोई जान नहीं है इस अस्तित्व के अंदर। मुझे लगता है अब कांग्रेस को अकेले ही लड़ना चाहिए। इतनी ज्यादा बेइज्जती कराने से बेहतर है कांग्रेस अपने दम पर चुनाव लड़े।
Okay.
Padmaja, I would like to
Yes,
answer.
final word.
I would like to
Lokesh
answer.
Jindal.
See, with respect to Tamil Nadu, from the south, the movement has started. I mean, we have got a very cordial seat sharing agreement with the DMK in Tamil Nadu, and slowly and steadily, it's gonna cover up the entire India. You need not worry about Bejjati and Ijjat. Congress and its cadre are very much clear what they want. The nation comes first here, and all our allies are intact.
Great.
It is good
and
that
speaking
those
of,
who do not
best
want
of
to
luck
be
to you. Best of luck to you. May you have an excellent seat sharing agreement. Maybe even in Tamil, maybe even in West Bengal and Uttar Pradesh. But speaking of Izzat, in the end, maybe it's not entirely correct to keep referring to your alliance partners as regional parties, these smaller parties. Remember that Trinamool Congress has actually half of what the Lok Sabha MPs the Congress has. It's not like they are sitting at some piddly 3 MPs and you are sitting at 200. They also have a sizable presence. Anyhow, we will